Hi there. In this video, we're going to discuss setting up your candidate and client settings, specifically around the statuses, types, and checklists, things that help you kind of manage your process. So we'll go into the agency section of Mission Control. This is where most of your settings are. And so inside the candidate settings, you'll see kind of an initial set of statuses, which is kind of a generic process. And so what you want to do is think through what is the step-by-step process that you are taking a candidate through, to onboard them in your process. And so what you can do is you can add new statuses. Let's say we do a phone screening, so we could put in a status like phone screen complete. Maybe we do the background check later on before they get hired, so we can drag that there. Or maybe, a background check should not be a status at all. And so what we can do is we can take that, delete that, and so we update our statuses. And instead, the background check can be something like a checklist item. And so a status is kind of a capture of where a candidate or client is in a process at any given time. And a checklist is a good way for keeping track of things that have been done or need to be done. But, sometimes it's good to make it a checklist item because someone could be at a step in the process like and continue through that process without that particular item being done. Like their background check could be happening in the background while other things are happening. And so maybe we have a background check complete status. Maybe we do like a social media screen complete, background check requested or initiated or something like that. So you can create checklist items for things you want to keep track of and statuses for kind of steps in your process. You can also create different types. So let's say your agency does like on-call and placement. So you could create on-call, placement, or maybe you place multiple different types of candidates. So like maybe there's nanny and NCS. And so these types are a way for you to classify your candidates and your clients based on what they're looking for, what type they are. And this can play a role in controlling, what fields they see in their profiles. Like on-call candidates and clients may see different elements of a profile than placement candidates or clients, or nanny client candidates and clients may see different questions than NCS candidates and clients. They may also get different email templates and document templates. And so all of those can be controlled and triggered by their types. And it's the same exact thing on the client side. You have your statuses, your checklist items, your types. And when you go into any candidate or client's file, under the admin section, you'll be able to see the sequence of statuses that you've created, as well as the different types. And so someone can be, not just one type, but multiple types. You can also see your checklist, and as you work through your checklist, keep saving your checklist and keeping track of things like that. And so all of this is designed to help you keep track of who the person is, what they're looking for, where they are in your process, and any kind of items you have completed or are yet to complete in order to successfully onboard them. Hopefully that all makes sense. Playing around with this is usually the best way to understand it and figure out what works best for you and your agency. Thank you so much.